Hello everyone, this is INE Foundation Lab 3 and section 2.2 EtherChannel. Okay, let me quick review what is EtherChannel and how we can conquer it on Cisco switches. Okay, EtherChannel, it is used to bundle multiple physical links into a single logical link and establishes this logical link as a single link. If it blocks the link, you block all physical links either. And most of the time, our 2 channel is configured as strong by 802.1q encapsulation, and it carries multiple VLANs or broadcast domains. This is we can have layer 2 or layer 3 channel. This is layer 2. In layer 3 channel is like a single port configured as routed mode with no switch port command. If we configure no switch port mode, it will become layer 3 port. And there is a concept of VLANs or no layer 2 signaling protocol including STP, and we often use this to avoid spaghetti protocol. Okay, we can configure the channel in 3 ways. One is by manually, the other one is by dynamic protocols like PGP or LSCP. To configure manually, it is so simple. On the interface or interface range, which is our physical interfaces, then by channel dash group number, this is our number, port channel number, and mode on. This on is for it make it manually. It will make EtherChannel manually. PGP and LSCP have their own modes. Okay, PGP. It is Cisco proprietary protocol, and it has two states or modes. One is desirable, the other one is auto. The desirable it tries to create a channel automatically by sending port aggregation packets. It is also called active negotiation state. It is initiating to become a channel. But auto only creates a channel when requested by other port. It is also called passive negotiating state. Auto, in other words, replies to the received aggregation packets. It's not initiating to only if it replies to aggregation packages. It's not initiating any aggregation packages. For this reason, because it is not initiating or it is in passive state, if one side is auto and the other side is auto, it will not form. This is like trunking. This is like trunking desirable in the previous slide. Okay, EtherChannel mode. If one side is desirable, the other side is desirable because it is initiating aggregation packages. Then EtherChannel will form. One side is desirable, the other side is auto. EtherChannel will form. One side is auto, the other side is desirable. EtherChannel also will form. And if one side is auto and the other side is auto, no EtherChannel will form because both are in passive negotiation state. Okay, LSCP is IEEE standard protocol, and like PGP, it has two states. One is active, the other one is passive. Active is like desirable and passive is like auto. Active tries to create link aggregation automatically by sending LSCP packages. It is also called active negotiating state. And passive only creates links aggregation when requested by other ports. It doesn't initiate any LSCP and replies to to the received LSP packets. And for this reason, if one side is passive and the other side is passive, no EtherChannel will form. One side is active, the other side is active, EtherChannel will form. One side active, the other side passive will form. Passive active will form, but if one side is passive, the other side is passive, no EtherChannel will form. This is how EtherChannel. And I'm going to protocols. So the other concept is EtherChannel load balancing. We can balance. This EtherChannel load balancing uses hash algorithm to forward packet. We can change this hash by EtherChannel load balance command. The default EtherChannel load balancing option is src-mac. It is all source MAC addresses, which means that the traffic from one MAC address, only one MAC address, will be forwarded using same physical interface. Okay, let me do what is it called. We can change this option or this behavior by EtherChannel load balance command under global configuration. Default is source-mac. Let me. The common scenario for this is here. This is if we have. This is when we have one switch, one here. If we have two interface boundary, I think to switch to. Switch to connected to one other, and we have four pieces. We have a MAC address A, B, C, and D, and here we have MAC address of E on router. Okay, on switch 1, let me call this is Ethernet 1, Ethernet 2, and this is switch on. And on switch 1, the default from this switch 1 perspective of view or switch 1 view, default source and MAC will work. We have no issue because this MAC address will traverse to either E1 or E2, and this MAC address MAC address of B will traverse either to E1 or E2, C either E1 or E2 or the E1 or E2, and we will have one column 1 ratio load balancing. But from R1 we have problem here because switch 1 we have one interface between switch 2 and R1, and we have only one MAC address E, and this MAC address will traverse either from this interface or from this interface. Only one interface will be used, and we have no load balancing here from this switch 2 view, switch 2's point of view. We can change this to DST or destination MAC, and then we will have load balancing here from switch 2. This is the common scenario why we have to change this default to other options. Okay, we can configure. This is layer 2, layer 3. To configure layer 3, we simply type no switch port, and we have to configure channel group number, and mode is on, desirable or auto, or other options. Then we also can use interface port channel, insert number, and configure output channel. One in channel group command, the other one interface port channel. These two commands are using for configuring EtherChannel layer 2 and layer 3. For layer 3 verification, we can use show EtherChannel summary. This show EtherChannel summary is for both layer 2 and layer 3. We can also use show EtherChannel number. This is number and detail. So interface port channel. Now this should be number. Port channel number here. Yours. For layer 2 verification, show taken summary, show interface switch port. Show interface switch port is we can verify layer 2. Show interface port channel, and this is our number either. Channel number. For load balancing verification, how to we can verify load balancing? We can use show the channel load balance load dash balance command. This is for which option we have for our load balancing. Okay, that's it. This is EtherChannel concept on Cisco switches. Okay, now let's configure this section. Yeah. Okay, we have to configure switch 3 links to switch 2 as single layer 2 tank using port channel number 23. We have to configure layer 2 port channel. And use 802.13 as a port channel, a protocol for port channel. Both switch 2 and switch 2 should actively negotiate the channel. Okay, it means that we have to use IEEE as a standard protocol. Standard. We have to use LSCP instead of PGP. We have active or passive mode for LSCP. You have to use LSCP. This is IEEE standard. And both switch 2 and switch 3 should actively negotiate the port channel. We have to conquer both sides as active, not passive. Active mode. It says we have to conquer both sides as active mode. Okay, let's conquer this three part together. Our table is standard, LSCP, and we have to conquer both sides as active. Okay, let's switch to switch to switch 3 here. Okay, show CDP neighbor. Switch 3 to a switch 3 to a switch links. For the show CDP neighbor here either. This is Ethernet 0/2 and 0/3. These two links. Okay, I'm going for see the topology. We have poker number 23. Yeah, layer 2 port channel. Okay, let's select our physical interfaces first. Config T, interface range, Ethernet 0/2 and 3. I'll select the physical interfaces. For conquering EtherChannel, we're using the channel group. It will call the channel group. On channel group number, the number should be 23. Port channel, using port channel 23. On mode, okay, we have on is manually, enable EtherChannel only. This is manually. The other desirable and other are for PHP, and active and passive are for LSCP. We have to use IEEE standard here, and both sides should be active in active state. Then I have to use active command here. Active. Okay, let's conquer other side. Switch 2 and switch 3. Config T. Interface range. Ethernet 0/2 and 3. Channel group. The channel group number is 23, and mode should be active. Okay, and related to triangle, we have to enable triangling on this interface. Okay, I will type interface port channel, port dash channel. This port channel number is 23, and switch port and switch port with triangle encapsulation .1q and switch port mode triangle. Mode triangle. Okay. Same things, of course, the same on this side. Interface port that channel. Put that on 23 and switch port triangle encapsulation .1q and switch port mode should be triangle. This is on. If I do show interface triangle, the should be on this port channel. This is on port channel 23. On switch 2, show interface triangle. This should be on. This is on triangle. Okay, before I come to the last part, let me verify our EtherChannel. I'll simply type show EtherChannel summary. With this command, I can verify if EtherChannel is up. Here I have group number 23, excuse me, 23. Port channel is port 23, and it is SU. Both are in big alphabet. S, this means uppercase S. Both are uppercase. This S means it is layer 2, and uppercase U, it is in use. It is working. Protocol is LSCP, and our ports are bundled. These two ports are bundled into our EtherChannel. This P means bundled input channel. This is P is bundled. Okay, let's show EtherChannel summary. This is the same. Everything is layer 2 EtherChannel. It is S, uppercase S, and up in use. These two ports are bundled into EtherChannel. We are going to have show EtherChannel. We can specify EtherChannel 21 and tab detail. This command is useful for troubleshooting media. It says a lot of information about our EtherChannel. It is LSCP, port security is disabled, and load shed is disabled also. These ports are bundled in and stated active. Okay, we can show interface port that channel number 23. This is another option. Show interface port channel 23. It says port channel is up, and protocol is up either, and is connected. And this is our MAC address for EtherChannel, and so on. This is like physical interface we have for physical interface. We type show interface port channel and port channel number. Okay, now let's configure the last part. Conquer the channel load balancing algorithm. Okay, let's see what load balancing option currently I have. Simply type show load balance. Show the kind of load balances. Show the channel and the load balance. Okay, it is source destination IP. And this is our client configuration. The conquer the channel load balancing algorithm and switch to take the destination IP address into account. Destination we take destination IP at this time. Okay, we have to change our option, load balance option on switch 2 and switch 3 on the global configuration. The config T, we can use port channel, port channel and load balance. And we have to choose destination IP. Same on switch 2. Destination. And show EtherChannel, load balance. Now we have this option, destination dash IP option. Okay, that's it. This was our EtherChannel section. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.